My name is Miguel Marin. I am an artist. We're here in Greenpoint, Brooklyn, and we're building the poster for Brimstone and Glory. Yes, building a poster. The idea of working on a poster for a film that deals with the fireworks industry in Mexico and this festival that happens in Tultepec was incredible. And sure enough, when I watched the film, my mind was blown. It was such a beautiful, poetic portrait of the town, the people, and the festival. It's so stimulating with such a visual film, for sure. As soon as I left the movie theater, in my mind, this had to be built. It had to be, in a way, like paying homage to the people in the town. And so from the get-go, I think my vision was to build this poster and make sculpture as a poster. There are many references to the film as far as materials, of course. The wood that come from the castles. The bull's head is made with papier-mache, just like the bigger, large-scale versions of the bull in the film. And certainly the color palette that I'm trying to bring in the sculptures are very much referencing what you see on camera. The plan is for tonight to go to an outdoor space where we can load the sculptures with some pyrotechnics, and I'm going to have Catalina, who is my partner in crime, photograph it. We're going to try to create a little bit of an experience as we photograph this poster.
Go.